Today brings a special message from the universe. It's a big thumbs up before the day ends. Get ready for a wonderful surprise. Open your heart wide and stay hopeful. Prepare to enjoy the good times that are just around the corner, as the universe is already celebrating the happiness that's about to light up your life. This message isn't just about expecting good things. It's an encouragement to stay positive, let go of worries and doubts, and focus on the bright spots that might appear. Staying positive isn't just nice. It acts like a magnet, pulling more happiness into your life. On a different note, there's something serious you need to know. Someone close to you, someone you care about, has placed a camera at your door. This surprising act, driven by their doubts and fears, suggests they might not feel the same way you do. They might be worried that you're keeping secrets from them. This secretive step shows they're scared of being betrayed, and they want to keep an eye on what you're doing without you knowing. It's important to think about why they did this and the trust between you two. Today, the universe has something important to tell you. There's a camera installed at your door, and it's been watching everything you do. It's been put there to monitor your movements and get a glimpse into your daily routines. This isn't just a small matter. It's a serious alert about your privacy, and it's meant to prepare you for what lies ahead. Even though you can't see them, there are eyes on you, and it won't be long before all this secrecy is exposed. The universe wants you to be ready for the moment this hidden surveillance comes to light. It's important to approach the upcoming discussions with calmness and understanding, no matter how surprised or upset you might feel. This is a time for patience and for keeping a cool head. As events unfold, the truth about your situation will become clear. The universe is setting the stage to show everyone just how sincere, loyal, and loving your heart is. You've always cared deeply about love and have shown immense dedication to the well-being of those around you. The person who installed the camera will soon realize their mistake in doubting your intentions. They'll see that their suspicions were misplaced, and this revelation may prompt them to reconsider their actions. This is an opportunity for you to handle a difficult situation with grace and kindness. It's a chance to demonstrate that even in the face of betrayal or mistrust, compassion can lead the way. Understand that people are complex and often act out of fear or misunderstanding. This doesn't excuse their actions, but it can help you navigate your response more effectively. The universe. The universe has a significant message for us today. Emotions and misunderstandings have led to someone secretly placing a camera at your door. This action wasn't meant to harm, but came from a place of confusion and doubt. Now, you have a great opportunity in front of you. This is your moment to open up the lines of communication, to talk things out, and to create an environment where trust can be rebuilt and any hurt feelings can start to heal. As the truth comes to light, the universe is paving a path for you filled with forgiveness and reconciliation. The person who installed the camera will come to understand just how sincere and loving you are. They'll see the goodness in your heart and will likely feel compelled to apologize for their actions. The cosmos is arranging everything perfectly to help both of you gain a better understanding of each other's feelings and perspectives. This is a chance to smooth over this rough patch and to move forward in harmony. The universe wants you to know that life is unpredictable and often brings unexpected challenges, but it also provides us with unexpected blessings and opportunities for growth. This situation, though tricky, is one of those unexpected blessings. It's an invitation to strengthen your bonds and deepen your understanding of one another. As you navigate through this challenge, remember that the universe is with you, guiding you towards a peaceful resolution and a stronger, more trusting relationship. Embrace this opportunity to show compassion and empathy. By doing so, you demonstrate the depth of your character and commitment to fostering positive relationships. The stars are aligned in your favor, encouraging you to overcome this obstacle with grace and patience. Life is indeed full of surprises that test us and others that reward us. The universe often works in mysterious ways, bringing good things out of difficult situations. The universe is sending a clear message. Stay open and ready for the good things on the horizon, even if things are looking tough right now. It's calling on you to tap into your inner strength and keep pushing forward. Yes, the situation you're facing might be intimidating and a bit scary, but it's also an incredible opportunity for growth, deeper understanding, and strengthening your relationships. The universe has full confidence that you can navigate these challenging times with poise and emerge even stronger. As you continue on your path, keep in mind that the universe is constantly at work, arranging for good things to come your way. It's setting the stage for the truth to surface, which will help rebuild trust, bring people closer together, and foster a more peaceful life when we least expect them. This message from the universe is not just a reminder of the challenges we face, but also of the potential joys that lie in resolving them. It's here to uplift you, to remind you that every cloud has a silver lining, and to encourage you to look forward to the good that will come from this moment of confusion and clarity. Often, the best moments spring up unexpectedly, surprising you with joy and happiness when you least expect it. The universe is inviting you to savor every moment, to live with anticipation and excitement for the joy that is unfolding. In times of challenge, there's a powerful comfort to be found in love and forgiveness. These forces can transform situations, heal old wounds, and bring people together in meaningful and lasting ways. Say amen to accept these blessings from the universe, to acknowledge that you're ready to receive all the good that's coming your way. Potential. By staying open to the possibilities, you engage with the universe's plan for you. It's a plan filled with hope, healing, and renewal. As you move forward, keep your heart open to the unexpected joys, the quiet moments of bliss, and the profound satisfaction that comes from overcoming obstacles. So, as you face each day, remember that the universe is with you, encouraging you to find strength in adversity and peace in turmoil. Embrace the journey, trust in the process, and be ready to celebrate the wonderful surprises that life has to offer. Encourages you to embrace this challenge as a means to grow and strengthen your relationships. By dealing with this issue openly and with empathy, you set the stage for building trust and understanding once again. Show the depth of your character by choosing forgiveness over resentment, dialogue over conflict as you move forward. Remember that the universe is always watching over you, sending you subtle signs and guidance. This situation, although difficult, is guided by the cosmic forces that aim to bring out the best in you and those involved. Embrace the lessons it brings and trust that you have the strength to overcome this hurdle. Say amen to acknowledge and accept the support and blessings the universe is offering you during this time.